The weeping willow stands alone down the river bank, its branches drape. Many lives it's seen unfold, secrets held within a wide green cape. And he liked to sit down there. She could be without a care, dreaming of a lover's embrace. Soon she would see his face. There she met a handsome lad. Was training up for an army boy. In time they fell in love, filled each other's hearts with joy. Soon the marriage was arranged, together always, never to change. To the river they did speed, beneath the boughs he sowed his seed. But oh, how the willow, the willow, call to arms it came, making safe a country in the east. She only had 9 weeks to go before her belly's load she would release. So he walked upon the sand on someone else's land. He kept a picture of his wife, who at home carried his new life. And oh, how the willow weeps. A letter came through the door. She looked with horror at its mark. The blood drained from her face, and in her heart